Hi, my name is Paloma Cervantes. I am a curandera or Mexican shaman. I am going to teach you today how to lead a charcoal briquette in an easy way. I always get these questions, so let's go on that. The charcoal briquettes come like this in a package. They are small ones and they are bigger ones. I save mine in a container. It can be glass, plastic, anything, but something that has a lid, because sometimes when the surroundings have a lot of humidity, then the charcoal doesn't want to turn light or turn on. Like if you leave it like this, it's okay if you're going to use it every day and use it really fast, but if you're going to take a long time, I will recommend like this. Now, each briquette lasts for a long time, I think like an hour or so. So what I do is I break them in half. Let me show you. This is half. We usually use an incense burner. Here I have one. Looks like that. But for the purpose that you can see in this video, let's put it in here. Or if you don't have an incense burner, you can use anything that can hold the heat. And we're going to use copal. So let me show you. This is copal and it's a resin. You can use any resins or herbs. A chunk like this is going to be really hard to burn in the charcoal. So what I do, I have this little mortar and pestle, whatever the name is, right? And I just make a powder and I break from this to something very small like this. And then once the charcoal is burning, I put it in there. I keep also my resin in a container, not because it's going to go bad as the charcoal does, but because I carry my stuff, I want all the little pieces to be in there and not all over my bag or anything. So let's turn this on. You need a lighter, preferably a lighter that has a long thing like this, because the little ones get hot too fast. So you turn the light on and you just stay there, don't move. Until many little sparks start going all over. So you see, the sparks are going here. Once the sparks are going, you just wait a little. Usually I start these and then I get my copal or my other resins and I allow these to get very warm. So let's give it a little moment. Now that we waited a little bit, as you can see, it's starting to get white, and if I turn it around, look at this. All this is white, right? So it's getting warm. This you can start using when it is like that. So for that, you're going to grab just a little bit goes all the way. So just a little bit of copal, and then you offer it in the way that you were taught by your teacher. There are different ways here. I'm just going to place it like that so you can see. Just right away the smell comes, and I wish you were here so you can smell this beautiful smell. So a word of caution, this is fire, so be very careful if you are moving these. I like the incense burners because you can move it a little bit and the charcoal is still in there, but these ones you go like this and they roll over and fall from the plate. So just be very careful and enjoy. In fact, let me send the blessings to you as well. Thank you and see you next time.